Raimundo natapikan. Bitbit po tata. Number 10. Uy. Montino. Plays off the glass, Montino. Attack. Takes flash fire. Off the glass. Cruz. Satres. Bam! 3 points. Kicks out. Satres. Bam! 3 points. Oy! Technical ka. Bumaril ka pa. Technical. Alley-oop pass and the finish. Nice one dito. Bumangga. Oh, basket and one. Left stays. Offensive foul. Hands po. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa semifinals ng Intertown ng Bulacan para sa laban ng Marilao at San Jose del Monte. And here you go, Garcia for the inbound, looking for the receiver. Passes to number 17, holding the ball, setting the play. Pass on the corner, number 11 here, Garcia. Didiscarte, mabibitawan ng bola, recovered. Pass to number 26. Here you go, number 26, drives. And natapa sa Idol. And here you go, nagmamadali Liz, kinaliwa. That's sa tres. Ball! 3-4. And passes there. And drives, he spins, kicks out, fakes, stop, launches 3. Won't go short, the rebound. Plays and goes in. Del Monte, number 18 here. Pass to the middle, mid-range fire. No good. Rebound number 17, bounce pass inside. Fakes, kakaldag dito, butat ang inabot. And the pass break. And tinignan ba yung guardia? And a pocket for two. And here's number 45. Uy. Na-technical si Idol. Kalma lang Idol, kalma. And for the inbound here, number 24 now. To number 0. Stops at the middle. Corner, drives, lays, and bucket, counted and one! Karte dito, 1-on-1, naibaba ang bola, number 17 here, pass to number 15, de diskarte, titilas ang tres, no good, rebound, takes, fire off the glass, basket and one! And here's number 0 for Team Marilao. Passes to the middle. Oh! Baldog si Idol. Says fakes. Oh! Step back. Bam! Clutch 3! Yari si Idol. And Revillante for the inbound. Number 13 passes to number 4 here. It's the star of the second quarter. Number 4. Drive. Slays. Oh! The crossover and the finish. Number 4. And here you go, Team Marilao. Number 40 here, Opti na. Pinasa kay number 20. Pass to number 13. Saez lays. Bucket for 2. And here, take fire for 3. Bam! Bullseye! And Optina. Pass to the middle. Attacks. Fires. No good. Rebound dito ng team San Jose del Monte. Number 31. Pull up jet. The mid-range. Chester! Corner. Fakes. Drives. Sas. Number 99. Sa gitna. Number 45, attacks, kicks out, launches 3, bang! Rebound! Bababa para sa team San Jose Del Monte. Stops, kicks out, number 4, take, corner, pass inside, kicks out, launches 3, no, too strong, rebound, putback shot, and Floranda in for the inbound. Number 10 to Floranda, launches 3. Oh, no good. Number 44, Montino. And drives. Floater, bucket for 2. Villante, left stays. Offensive foul. Oop. Si Idol, oh. Nadali pa yung pa. To number 99. Takes on the corner, 4-3. No good, rebound. Natapikan. Fast break na yun. Oh, hands po. And Montino here, number 44, passes to the middle. Nazareno passes to. Crossover. Saves the ball. Number 44, Montino, minute pass, yes sir! And number 7 here. Between the legs dribble, number 22. Number 26. Number 99. Kicks out at the middle, mid-range fire, short. Oh, good court na. Up. Shot clock violation. Montino between the legs dribble. Kumahanap ng butas. Binardyan ng dalawa, corner. Side step. Alley-oop pass and the finish. San Jose Del Monte. Dribbling the ball. At the corner. And drives. Lonzo sa palpal. Oop, nagawan dito. And here you go, Team Marilao. Pinasa ng kalaban. Number 19. Oh, bumangga. Oh, basket and one. Uy. Cross pass there. Pass off the glass. Nice pass. Number 22, Raimundo. Corner takes. Asking for pick. And that's there. Attacking ngayon. Oy! Oy! What a move! Number 24, Raimundo. Takes. Anagbogo. Corner. Drives. Lays. Yes, sir! That's number 4. And number 17 here. Esvillante, umasagsak. Pinabilin. Pasok yan. What a move! Jose Del Monte. Oh, stops. Number 26. Number 17 between the legs dribble. He discarded step for 3. Bam! Step Carimo! And here's Team Marilao. Number 4 natapikan. Na-recover ni Suez. Size here, number 24 drives, takes fire, off the glass and bucket for 2. Number 24 Raimundo drives, lays, kinaliwa pa. Ang lupit na Idol. And here's number 77 here, nagmamadali, pinasa sa gilid, pass back, takes, drives, lays, basket and one. Anagbogo here, pinasa kay number 24, takes on the middle, pass inside, oh, supalpal, put back, wala pa rin. Looking for receiver, pinasa ng kalaban, saktong-sakto, lazy, easy bucket. Hey, guys. Recover, flat flip, tagip, break ang loob. Pasok yan kay number 23. Team San Jose del Monte. Number 13 here to number 19. Number 17, Garcia pass to number 45. Oh! Maaga dito. Fast break ngayon. Isa, Pinky Bagel. Number 17. And number 19 now. He started dito. Stop pull up, Jay. Boom! Douglas! And there's a whistle there. I don't know what happened. Middle. Sa corner. Drives. Pass off Douglas. Yes, sir! Oop. Na-lost the ball. Pass break. Garcia binitbit. Easy basket. Montino. Montino crossover race. Fires. There's a offensive foul. And here you go, crossover, derechoso, palpaloy! Nag-last touch pa! Number 44 here, 14 Marilao. Cruz. Sadres. Bang! 3-4! Doon ka sabi. Corner, Sadres. Bang! 3 points! Number 44 here. Six, drive, side step, corner, fire, no good. Bagal for rebound, nagtatapikan, oop. Garcia, oop, tumatake sa gitna, tinira. Oh, lucky bounce. Tinapikan. Oh, Spence, oh, sakto, oy! May foul, no, bakit? Pinasa kay number 4. Sarabia, pass back, Montino, fake stop. Looking for receiver. Corner 3. Bam! 3 points! And here's 99. Sumisiksag. Drive, plays, too strong, and the rebound here, Montino, behind the back, oh! Pass break, Garcia binitbit, easy basket. Pass sa gitna, Sarabia, pass to Montino, fake, corner, Sarabia, bounce pass, move, corner pass, off the glass, yes sir, Saiz. Long pass, Garcia dito, stop, launch 3, no good. Nakalusot dito si Idol, diretso pinasa, plays and yes sir. Kababa ang bola, nagmamadali behind the back dribble. Pass inside. Fires off the glass. In and out. Good back shot, wala pa rin. Carter, number 45. Pass to number 18, launches 3. Bam! 3 points. Dito, Montino nakalusot. Montino, sa gitna, Saiz. Launch. Oh, lagi bounce. The winner yun. Discard dito, atake. Big kicks out, launches 3. No good. Fire. Yes, sir. Corner. Fires off the glass. Yes, sir. And here on the corner, launches 3. Montino. Short, rebound, put back, and the finish. Down to 5, 6 ang kalamangan mga idol. Sa loob, tumira, pinabitin, basket and 1. Number 99, pull up Jay. Good rebound, look up pero may foul. Number 24, Raimundo. To number 4. Bumanga, drives, pass inside, big. Fire of the glass, yes sir. Raimundo. Raimundo natapikan. Number 19, Pinitpit po, tata! Ang layo ng pinangabulan ni Idol. Grabe yung bolang-bola. Kicks out. Sa 3. Bang! 3 points! Oy! Oy! Technical ka! Bumaril ka pa! Technical! Bumaril! Binaril! Oh! Binaril mo, Idol eh. Technical ka tuloy. And here's Montino. Montino, oh! Offensive foul. Number 17 here. Between the legs dribble. Drives. Lays. No good. Battle for rebound here. Corner. Libreng-libre sa 3. Bang! 3 points! And number 17 dito. Down to 4 ang Kalamangan. Long 3. No good. Bounce pass there. Open na naman, Pex. Drives. Gumangga, Pex. Kicks out. Nadali. And here you go for team. Boom. Number 19 here. Pass is there. Sasalagsak. Titira. Oh, bakit for 2? Oh, agaw na naman. Oh, good for 2. Attack. Big splash fire. Off the glass. Montino. Montino. Please, off the glass, Montino. Oh, nagawan. Uy, huli ka. For the inbound here. Team San Jose del Monte. Number 19. Stop for 3. No good. Number 24. Oh! Tumalon silang lahat. What a block. Uy, uy, uy. That's the end of the game. Congratulations, Team San Jose del Monte.
Team San Jose